No, I think it's going to make engineering harder. I think it's going to make engineering harder because when engineering is a competitive sport, you win by doing something better than your competitor. So when all the customers have Leo AI and all the customers have Onshape, you're going to need to think, you're going to need smarter engineers. We need to add more value. So I imagine an engineer surrounded by, AI agents with a powerful cloud native system that allows for real-time collaborations. Oh, by the way, the AI are collaborators too. And someday it's quite possible to do it autonomously, right? You'll say, Leo was in the background checking out the assembly and found a problem, and I made a branch in Onshape and fixed it. I'll know it was Leo. And I need to know that if I'm going to understand how AI works. Future people will enter this industry and they won't have to spend weeks looking up bearing costs in some boring catalog. They'll be jumping right into the fray with value-add engineering, leveraging AI, collaboration, iteration. We're going to see more simulation being run. Mm-hmm. We're going to see more parametric design spaces being explored. Plus things like, implicit modeling, we're going to see more of that. The idea of training a simulation case so that you can rerun future novel cases extremely fast, that kind of stuff. There's so much going on. It's such an exciting time. And, hopefully it will benefit the world through better products. With our partnership with Leo, they do something, we do something, they do something, we enable them to do more. It's not just a text to CAD system you have with Leo. It's a text to CAD system where Leo could write new features that would go into your CAD environment. And I know real customers using this on real things. It's the depth of engineering reality that you're giving the attention to that I think is a perfect match for the requirements of customers. This is the beginning. This isn't the end. This is like, wow, more.